If you guys are looking to add fog lights to your base work truck model Chevy Silverado, keep watching this video because hopefully it's going to save you a lot of time if your truck is set up the way this one is. So to elaborate on that, this is my 2006 Chevy 3500. It's a cabin chassis work truck model. It doesn't have anything. I mean, when I got it, it had crank windows. It still has crank windows. It had cruise control, which I added. It has no fog lights, which we're about to add now. Originally, I thought I would need everything, like from the switch, relay, all the wiring, and the fog lights themselves. But as soon as I went to go look under there and just check out how I'm going to mount the fog light, I saw a plug that goes to a fog light. Evidently, this thing's already pre-wired for fog lights. Before you order all the parts that you would need to add the fog lights, which would be the relay, the switch, and all the wiring and a harness and all that, do this real quick. Here, you'll come under here, right where the fog light would go, right above the frame is where there should be a harness. Yeah, it is there. It's just tangled up in something. Here we go. So I noticed this harness for a fog light was just hanging up above the front frame rail, and evidently I just plugged in one of the lights. I checked to make sure that there was a relay for it, but you pop this up and it's this one right here, and you can even look at the chart. Fog lamps, boom. So we already had a relay, and then furthermore, I came into my cab, and this, I don't know, the previous owner just, I don't know what this went to, but I took this out, and there's actually a plug that doesn't go to anything right behind this. So I just plugged in the new interface here. That it had the fog light button. I just plugged it in, and boom, it worked. So this is going to be a lot easier than having to add my own harness. Well, but I ordered everything. Like, I was ready. I mean, I ordered the plug itself. I had these pigtail connectors for the fog lights themselves, even down to the expandable sleeving. Like, I was going to make this look OEM, but now I don't have to because it was already installed from the factory. I'm probably going to just leave this on, hopefully just cut this out, and then try to place the fog light in from the back. And up here, I'm just going to use 2 bolts that will hold the fog light on. So let's try it. Let's see how long it takes. I was planning on this taking like 3-4 hours, just having to make the harness and all that, running wires and such. But since it's already pre-wired and we just have to mount it, hopefully it takes like less than an hour. I'm just going to use this oscillating tool to cut around this, and then if we have to, we can use a Dremel to just get the fine edges, but hopefully we can get it pretty good with this. Rip to your hearing. That shit is loud. Alright, now we got the other one on, and that looks way sharper. Looks OEM to me. Now we have to put this guy in. Let me go show you how to do that. This is really simple. Okay, now you're going to want your steering wheel all the way down. I'm sure most of you guys know how to do this. You have to just turn the ignition on. Wrong key. I have 3 of these trucks. Always get the keys mixed up. Put in as low of a gear as you can go, and this, you just pull it all the way around. Alright, hold up. Yeah, I don't want to feel the sunshine right now. Alright, pop this off. Now, this just pops right out. Pull that out, and you're going to have this plug in the back here that doesn't even go to anything. So if we can pull this tab, that pops off. There's no terminals, but there's a plug. So this just plugs right in here, and then it's as simple as putting it back in and putting the cover back on for the dash, and you're done. Make sure the lights work and all that. So let's do that real quick. Alright, we have it plugged in. Now, when we turn this on, you can actually hear that relay turning on, which is exactly what we want. That means it's working. And this thing needs LEDs. But hey, it works. It looks pretty clear, looks nice. Awesome, so they are working. Flawless install, looks OEM. I do wish these were LEDs though, because that is pretty yellow. But we can cover this back up. Nice and easy install. How'd this go? That's pretty much it. So everything's working. We put everything back together and you're good to go.